Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. And a good morning hello from Miss Gracie. All right, so this is page 36, Standard of Excellence, Book 1. This is a solo with piano accompaniment. I'm not going to worry about the piano part. So I will be starting in the fifth measure. And when we get to 22, I'm going to hold that E flat for the 2 beats. And then I'm going to count through the next 2 measures and work through it that way. Okay, that sucked. All right, take 2. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.